Another Sinclair one-owner vehicle, clean vehicle history, 240 amp alternator, 7 and 4-pin wiring harness, 700 amp maintenance-free battery, air conditioning, automatic headlamps, auxiliary switches, Class 2 receiver hitch, deep tint sunscreen windows, front 1 touchdown power windows, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power heated mirrors, quick order package 24S Sport S, R1234 AC refrigerant, remote keyless entry, security alarm, speed-sensitive power locks, sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors, trailer tow and HD electrical group, wheels, 17 by 7.5 tech silver aluminum,